Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome back to Newcastle, where the local time is just coming up to 1:45. If you please stay in your seats with your seatbelts tightly fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do be careful when you open any overhead lockers in case any bags may have moved and may fall out. Smoking is not permitted, and please do check the area around you and above you to ensure you haven't left anything behind. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with Thomas Cook Airlines. We hope you've all enjoyed your flight with us, and it's been our pleasure having you on board. We'd like to wish you a very safe and onward journey home. Thank you, and a very good afternoon.